Hi guys, good morning. We are going to the beach today. Goose Beach. It's a very popular beach here around the Comox Valley.
Three there that should be there.
Oh, okay.
And as a matter of fact, I think that there's no realtor sign out front, so that shouldn't be there either.
So there's Bingo. We're bringing him to the beach because he needs a much needed exercise. But he's becoming more agile and I don't think he have lost weight yet. He has put on 4.5 kilos. So he has to lose the weight and get back in shape. Hi, Bingo. Hi guys, we arrived at the beach and it's windy today. Big waves. He usually doesn't like walking that much. And I guess that's the reason why he gained that much weight. There's quite a few people here today. It's a beautiful day. I think the weather is not so hot today. It will go up to I think 27 degrees. It's cool, very cold right now. Come on, Bingo. Yeah. Jan is just saying that this area here, I think this one is new here, I think. This parking spot here.
This wasn't here either. Cement.
Oh, was it? Ah, okay.
Maybe last year, but
We have not been here in a while. And there's descriptions of things that you can find here.
come on, bud.
Beautiful day. They actually use the driftwood to make a barrier here. Looks nice. Lots of beaches around here. The only thing is that you can't really go swimming because the water is very cold even in the summer. Lakes are better to go for a swim. You get a little warmer in the summer here, but the beaches remain very cold. Okay, I'm coming, Bingo. Let's go this way. It's very rocky here, so we'll try to find the sandy part is better. This area anyway. Good boy. Yeah. I guess the kids are making what do you fort, yeah. Hello. Wow, nice. How long did it take you? How long did it take you to make your fort? Ah. For an hour? Wow. Looks really nice. Wow, look at this tree. Really long. Hi, Bingo. Keep going, darling. So we are going up this way along the road, so it's easier for Bingo's feet. Okay, Bingo, just follow Dad. You can just follow the road, right? I wonder where he wants to go. You want to go pee?
Yeah, but
Let's go. This, yeah. Ah, so they don't. Ah, okay. Yeah, I guess these ones here, they don't like to be disturbed. Yeah, they are yellow sun verbena ecosystem. So they block them off so people won't walk there. Yeah. So I'm just going to go up these stairs here, and there's the description of it. So I'm just going up now, guys. I can't bring John and Bingo with me because Bingo can't really uh, go walk upstairs at this time. We're just trying to get him back in shape now, so hopefully towards the end of August he can again before we leave for the Philippines. These are actually nice easy steps to do. I'll just take a picture or a video up these stairs, and then I'll go back down. Beautiful view from here. I'll just continue on. Oh, hello, good morning. Oh, So there I am. Just gonna go back down now. That was a good walk though, guys. I'm just gonna go and find Jan and Bingo.
Drone song.
So I guess you can fly your drone here, huh?
No, you're not allowed to fly drones around airports.
Oh, okay.
Well, I thought you could get in. This is just the air park for the museum where they have planes that Canadian forces have used in the past. Like right there is the Buffalo for search and rescue. And T-birds over there, jets, trainers. And Aurora.
The big one is Aurora, is it?
No, I don't think it's an Aurora. I can't remember what the Argus.
Huh?
Argus. The Aurora replaced the Argus.
Okay, so that's the Argos there. It's
I can tell from here.
okay.
My aircraft identification, so I'm not sure which one is the Argus, if one of them is an Aurora.
Okay.
Is it?
I'm not sure. Maybe there's a. Let's try. Maybe it's open from here. Maybe we can get closer to the planes.
What does it say here?
Use at your own
It's
risk.
locked up.
Oh, it's all locked up,
Air
guys.
Force Man. Oh,
Oh, open 10 a.m. till 4 p.m. April to October,
well.
except Mondays. Today's Monday.
Oh, today's Monday, for crying out loud. We picked the Monday.
So we have to come back here another time, guys.